Okay, folks, example number 2 says, find the volume of each cube by finding the number of 1 by 1 by 1 cubes. What? Okay, give me just a minute. I'm going to show you what we're talking about here. Okay? Now, a cube is a three-dimensional figure where all the sides are the exact same length. Okay? Alright, so this is a cube. Let me see. We can make it bigger. We're going to keep it like this for now. In this first problem, the volume is the length times the width times the height. Okay, volume equals length times width times height. But in a cube, aren't all those numbers the same?
Yes.
Right? Because all the sides are the same length. So this first one is 1 times 1 times 1. Wait a minute, how can I write that in a short fashion, Emily? 1 to the power of 3. What is 1 to the power of 3? What is 1 times 1 times 1? It's 1. Okay. Now they're saying, okay, let's look at a cube that's a little bit bigger. Let me take this one. I'm going to copy it. We're not going to do this. We're not going to do all of it. Okay. Hello. I want you to move. All right. I'm going to have to actually use the keyboard. Okay. All right. Let's take this one now. We'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay. This is B. It's 2 by 2 by 2. How can I write its volume? Daniel?
2 times
2 times 2 times 2. But how can I write that simpler? Daniel?
2. 2 times 4.
Oh, don't simplify it yet. Does anybody know what I'm talking about? How can I write this in a shorter way? Barrett? 2 to the third power. That's what we say. Or the third power has a special name. It's called 2 cubed. The third power has a special name, right? 2 cubed. So Daniel was working on it, but I'm not going to let him have an answer here. I'm going to let Elise give me the answer. Elise, what is 2 cubed? What does it turn into? Take a moment. 2 times 2. No, 2 times 2 times 2. Beautiful. 8 is 2 cubed. All right? Now, I'm not going to draw another cube. But for C, do you agree if I wanted to find the volume, how would I write it? How do I write it, David?
3 times 3.
Exactly. Length times width times height. And I could write it like this. What do I get when I multiply 3 times 3 times 3? Jenna? 27. Awesome. Now, I want to actually show you something. I'm going to scoot down a little bit here. Okay? The next one was 4 by 4 by 4. How do I write that, Emma?
4 times 4.
4 times 4 times 4, exactly. And Emma, what's the shortest way, the simplest way I can write that?
4 times
4 to the power of 3, or 4 to the third power. Now I'm going to show you how to use your calculator. Do this. Here are the buttons I want you to hit. Type 4. This little thing is called a hat, okay, or an up arrow. And I believe, if Emma will let me borrow hers for a second, it's right next to the 7. So hit 4, and then the up arrow, and then hit the 3 button, and then hit the enter. And tell me what you get. Raise your hand and tell me what you get. Moreau? 64. Exactly. Now guys, I'm out of time here. I'll let you finish the other two. I think you get the idea. All right? And I'll see you at the next video.